Case study one, human computer interaction. Next page. Okay, our group members. My name is Vimal Rash Analiki Saroju and my matrix number is 01DDT20F1096. Next.
My name is Inka Singh and my number matrix is 013320F1002.
My name is Hussein Betty Mahidin and my matric number is 10DDT20F1113.
And my name is Sajara Anulaiki Kumararao and my metric number is 01DDT20F1105.
Next page. Okay. Table of the content. First one is question. We briefly explain about the case study one and showing the screenshot of our works bracket website. This one I will be doing. Second is learnability. How describe how the website applied learnability, which will be explained by Lim Kaizin. And the third one is describe how the website applied flexibility, which Musfira will be explaining. And the fourth one is robustness. Describe how the website applied robustness. My friend Sajira will be explaining it. Next page. Okay. Question of case study one. Mr. Raj, the Chief Executive Officer of Global Net Sendirian Berhad in Prai, Penang, which is involved in many projects and system development for government and private sector. Z Fashion Boutiques owner had accepted the tender from GlobalNet to create their website. Mr. Raj has assigned you as a chief design officer to create the user interface design for the website. Our team decided to approach the principal to support usability in an interactive system design to create an interactive design for the website. Following are the information that should be provided in the website. A. Company's logo. B. Sign up or registration. C. Login. D. For about contact. E. Product details. F. Order form. G is payment. H is receipt. Next page. Okay. Question of case study one. The design should consist of the main page of the website. Choose appropriate context or menu or of the website. You may add relevant information to the website. Create the website design by using any appropriate software such as an MS PowerPoint. Present and explain the following that has been applied in the design. I. Principle to support usability in interactive system design equals to A. A is learnability, B is flexibility, C is robustness. And the second one is the main page of the website should be able to link to the each page in the website. Next page. Okay, this is our link website Z Fashion Boutique. Next page. Okay, screenshot of our website. This is the home page of Z Fashion Boutique. Next page. Okay, this is a about page for Z Fashion Boutique. Next page. Okay, this is the login page. You can log in with your Facebook or Google or with your email also. Next page. Okay, this is our payment page for Fashion Boutique, Z Fashion Boutique. Okay, this is a receipt for the payment have you the buyer for the Z Fashion Boutique. Next page. After this, my friend Lim Kaizin will be explain about learnability.
Thank you very much. And so I will first to explain the first principle, which is learnability. So the components of learnability, which is predictability, familiarity, synthesizability, consistency, and lastly, generalizability. Okay, next. So first is predictability. It means system behavior is observably but deterministic. It involves principle of operation visibility. So, for example, a system with operation visibility will avoid to bring confusion to user, like user have no idea or confused about how to use the system. So, for example, of our website, we will state clearly to user about how to operate. So next. So next is synthesizability. It means user can access effect of past actions. For example, when user added an item into a cart, the cart will show up the added item immediately. Okay, next. And thirdly is familiarity. The system which apply familiarity means that the system is guessable. For instance, when user click on the product, it should bring user to the product page. And secondly, if the user want to view his or her profile, then the user should enter the user page or a list of options should be there when user click on the profile picture. Okay, next. And next is consistency, which means design of the interface is always consistent. For example, the usage of color scheme and the font is consistent. Okay, next. And lastly is generalizability, extending specific interaction knowledge to new situation. General function gives user familiarity. It's a form of consistency that applies generally when it comes to designing a system. And it means that a user can use a new system effortlessly due to their own experience on previous system they had used before. So, for example, generally a system will offer copy and paste operation, and general UI design such as use blue color or underline to indicate a hyperlink. Okay, next. And in our website, we can see at the footer of the website when user click on the social media icon, it should contain a hyperlink that brings users to social media page. This is one of the example of generalizability. Okay, next. So next, my friends, Musfira will continue this presentation. The second principle, which is flexibility.
Thank you, Linkaizin. So, for number 3, flexibility. There are components of flexibility. There are 4, which is matter trading, task migrability, sensitivity, and customer visibility. Okay. First of all, multi-trading. Okay. Multi-trading is ability of system to support interaction for one more task. And example like, for example, while user visit the website, the front page of the website it will move by own. Okay. Next, for task migrability. Task migrability is usability design principle that describe how control for a task. Execution is transfer between system and user. Example like make it user to find item that they want to find easily by using search button in this website. Okay. For substitutivity, to allowing equivalent value of input and output to the substitute for each other. Example like to allow user to select the size that they want when the user want to add to cart. Okay. Next, customizability. Customizability to enable the user to customize or make a change to configuring the layout, content, and functionality. Next, user also easily can what they want because they are in control. Example like it's allow the user to make their own selection how they want and how information is organized. Next, Sajira will explain about robustness. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thanks, Mishra. For robustness, we have four components, which is task, confirmation, observability, recoverability, and responsiveness. Next page. So first is observability. They provide user with the ability to evaluate the internal state from its representative. If the system is performing a time-consuming operation, the current status of the operation should be displayed. Shown in the diagram below is like you can see that I already highlighted the square box. So next page. So recoverability is the user should able to reach a desired goal after recognize of an error in previous interaction. So such as reachability is like an undo, forward and backward recovery, commensurated effort. In the like small box I already highlighted, the orange color is the back. It's already contained in the Chrome tab that we can use. Other way is the green color box that I already highlighted. Which one is login, another one is your teacher. Right. For this one, if the user didn't log in, anything that add to the cart will be not be saved. Right. If user accidentally enter the X button, all the things that are added to their cart will be disappear. If the user log in, as shown in the second pictures below, if the user accidentally add anything or anything, it will be in the cart. If they accidentally enter the X button or close button, the item will be there. Next. Okay, next if user added anything, there are things that I want like from the shop. Example, I've put some spot mask and face wash. User can instantly cancel the things that they don't want, or they want to add on for another one also can. So next. So responsiveness usually measured in the term of rate of communication between the system and the user. So stability. As you guys can see, the logo of Z Fashion Boutique, you press that logo or the name itself, it will bring you to the home page. Other thing is the home, shop, contact, about, and the login and the shortcut will bring a specific page to it. It's accelerated in the box picture. The clicking the board icon that in the box, the Z Boutique Fashion menu does not give feedback. Example, especially otherwise the user may end up pressing the icon of a number of times, as well as responsive time of the system is consistent and responsibility. Next. So last is task conformance. The system service support all the tasks of the user to wish to perform and in a way of user wish to perform. So task complexity and task is basically is an ending every single process. To give you like, for example, if you're doing any system or download, it will show you 100% same things as this. Once you purchase and everything is done, it will show you like this one. Thank you for ordering your and the buyer's name. That's it. Next page. Thank you.
That's all
Thank
from
you.
us. Thank you for watching.